Today in the galley, small batch dill pickles. So we're out of dill pickles and I came across these little pickling cucumbers. Now first decide how do you want to cut them. Do you want quarters? Do you want slices? Now I'm going for slices and I think fairly thick. Now it's very important to cut off the vine end. Leaving the vine end on will make your cucumbers get soft. Now for 1 pound of cucumbers you want 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and then you want to make sure that salt is worked all around your cucumbers. Now the important step here is to let this sit for at least an hour to drain the moisture out of your cucumbers. The more moisture you drain out now, the crispier your cucumbers will be later. So we're going to get our brine going for our dill pickles, and I'm going to do 1 cup water, 1 cup cider vinegar, 1/4 cup cane sugar, and then I have 2 tablespoons kosher salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, and then I have a 1/2 teaspoon dill seeds, a 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, and then a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and a teaspoon of celery seeds. Now when this comes to a boil, we're going to turn off the heat and just let it sit for 10 minutes. Now while your brine is working, take your cucumbers, rinse them under cold water for a minute or 2. So while I'm waiting on my cucumbers to drain and my brine to sit and settle, I'm going to get my jars ready. Now usually 1 pound of pickling cucumbers will do me 2 jars. And I'm going to do 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh dill in here, and then in each jar you can put 1 to 2 smashed cloves of garlic, and then we can start packing our jars. Now in the way back when, in the 90s, I was executive chef of a restaurant in Vinings, Georgia, and I made our own pickle spears, and we had some of our regulars that would come in with their empty jars and to buy a jar of my pickles. So I'm just saying, they might taste okay. So look at that, 2 perfect jars. So when I'm filling, I like to go back and forth to help get even distribution of all those pickling spices. And now it's very important for these refrigerated pickles that you let them come to room temperature before you put a lid on them and put them in the fridge. Give them a couple days and then they'll be perfect. How beautiful and fresh is that? So I hope that the next time you see some pickling cucumbers, you make yourself some fresh dill pickles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.